Welcome back to LinguaStep, the channel where you learn English one step at a time. Today is Lesson 2, and we're talking about something you do every day, your daily routine.
Oh, like what I do in the morning?
Exactly. Today you'll learn how to talk about what you do from morning to night using simple English sentences and the present tense. Let's start with some basic daily actions. Repeat after me. I wake up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English. I come home. I eat dinner. I go to bed.
So all of these use I plus a verb. I wake up, I eat, I go.
Yes, in English, when we talk about habits or daily life, we use the simple present tense. Let's look at how the verb changes with different subjects. I eat breakfast. You eat breakfast. He or she eats breakfast. We eat breakfast. They eat breakfast.
Wait, why eats with he and she?
Good question. In the present tense, we add s to the verb when it's he, she, or it. So, I go. He goes. I study. She studies. I work. He works.
Ah, so S for he, she, it. Got it.
Let's make some sentences. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast at 8. I go to work at 9. I study English in the evening. I go to bed at 11. Now let's use he and she. He wakes up at 6. She eats breakfast at 7. He goes to school. She studies English at night.
This is easy when I think in steps.
That's the LinguaStep way, one step at a time. Let's try a short conversation. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7. What about you?
I wake up at 6 and I drink coffee.
I eat breakfast after I wake up.
Nice! What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10.
Perfect. You just had a natural English conversation about your day. Today you learned how to talk about your daily routine in English using simple verbs and the present.
And I learned the rule add S for he, she, it.
Exactly. In the next video, Lesson 3, we'll learn how to ask and answer questions about hobbies and free time.
Awesome! I can't wait to talk about what I like to do.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning one step at a time with LinguaStep.